Hi, I'm Sri, Uncle Sri. Let us learn mathematics. Today we will continue learning division and we will learn some important facts about division. Okay? Let me do a simple problem. Let me take a number 30. Right? 30. Let me divide this by 6. Okay? 30 divided by 6. How I can do? I can write 30 here like this. Put a thing like this. Yeah? And then put a straight line up. Right? A curve and a straight line. Now this is the number which I am going to use it to divide. That is 6. Now I tell the sixth multiplication table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. So 5 times 6 is 30 and the remainder is 0. I do not have anything and that is 0. So the remainder is 0 and this is called quotient. Okay. I can do the same in another way. How is that? 30 divided by 6. 30, put a dash and right below 6. Now what is this number in the up? The 30, it is called numerator. What is this called? Numerator. And the number below this line, the 6 is called denominator. Denominator. Yes, these are two big words. Numerator, denominator. I will make it very simple for you. Just write NR for numerator and put DR for doctor. Right? And here in mathematics, it is not doctor, it is denominator. And NR is numerator. The number up is called numerator. The number down is called denominator. So, I am going to solve this problem now. 30 divided by 6 is equal to how much? We got 30 divided by 6. I told the multiplication till 5 is equal to 5. So this is very important. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Okay. 30 is numerator and 6 is the denominator and 5 is the answer. Right. Let me take another problem now. Okay. We will take another problem and try to solve it. Yeah. See carefully. Watch carefully. Yes. Let me take a number 21. I have to divide this 21 by 3. That is equal to, what is the answer? We have to write it in this box. Okay. So very simple. 21. Put the curve and put 3 here. I am going to tell third multiplication. Yes, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21. Right. Now what is the remainder? 21 minus 21 is 0. There is no remainder. Right. And there is only the quotient, which is the answer. Right. Bring the quotient here. 7 is the answer. You understand what I am doing? 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. I am going to tell you some facts. Facts means something very important. What I understand from this. Right. So let me write here 21 divided by 3. Sorry. 21. What is 21? It is up. It is called numerator. And 3, it is down the line and it is called denominator. I got numerator divided by the denominator. That is equal to, what is the number? 7. This is equal to 7. Now when this is equal to 7, we are going to learn something very important. Watch carefully what I do. Yes, I am going to take this 3 multiply by 7. So 21 is equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Am I right? 7 3s are 21 or 3 7s are 21. You understand? And this is called multiplication fact. What is it called? Multiplication fact. Okay. Now I also can do one thing. Right? 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Okay. Can I change now? See, I will take this 3 up here and bring 7 down here. Right? 21 divided by 7 comes down and 3 goes other side of equal to. So 3. Yes? Am I right? Am I right? Yes, I can check it. No problem. I will check it one more time. That is 21 divided by 7. Tell the 7th multiplication table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So 7 3s are 21 and 0 is the remainder. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Right? And 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. They get interchanged. I have interchanged. Yeah, you give it to your friend your pen and you take her pencil. So what did you do? You interchange, right? You interchanged pencil and a pen. Here 3 and 7 interchange their place. It is here, it comes down, and it is here, it moves up, and the answer is same. Believe me, answer is same. That is why it is called a fact. What is it called? It is called a fact. Now this you got it here. 21 is equal to 7 into 3. From here you can say 21 is equal to 3 into 7. This is also correct, right? So I can say 21 is 7 multiplied by 3 or 21 is 3 multiplied by 7. I will underline like this, okay? And 21 by 7 is 3 and 21 by 3 is 7. Oh, are you finding it difficult? Confusing? Shall I do one more problem? Yes, I'll do one more problem. Don't worry, Uncle Sri will do more problems so that you don't have problem, right? Okay, you need to do problem. When you do problems, it will not be a problem. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Let me take a number 48. Let us divide this by 6. Right? 48 divide by 6. See what I am doing. 48, put a curve, put a straight line above, bar above. 6, we are going to divide it with 6. We should tell 6th multiplication table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48, right? 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So, the remainder is 0. What is the quotient? Quotient is 8. That means 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Now, shall we use the facts now? We will do the facts now. Yes, watch carefully what I am doing. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Fine. Now what I am going to do now? Take 6 up here and bring 8 down here. That is 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Yes, I just interchanged these two. In either way, you see 48 is equal to 8 multiplied by 6 comes up. Okay, 8 6 are how much? 48. Division and multiplication are inverse, right? You can reverse each of them, right? And here you see what I am doing. I take this 8 up and I bring the 6 down here, right? This I have done already. Okay, now we have done this here. Okay, now we will take this up here now. 48 is equal to, now 6 is already there. Take this 8 up, multiply by 8. So 6 8s are 48. Yes, this is a multiplication. This is multiplication, but it gives you the number 48. So both of them, you say 8 into 6. You say 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 8. And both of them are equal to 48. You understand this? Both of them is equal to 48. And here 48 I divided by 6 and 48 I divided by 8 and it gave me the two numbers. We will do quickly some 2-3 problems, right? Different problems. Okay. Now, what is the first problem which I am going to ask you to help me? Yeah, you help me to do this problem using multiplication fact and division fact. Okay, let me take the problem. I give you a box and I divide by 4 and the answer is 3. Oh, how can I solve this problem? What is inside this box? Magic box. What is inside the magic box? A question mark. What is that? A big question mark. Yes, simple. Write like this. This box, you write the box like this. Put a question mark. Divide by, put a line. Divide by what? 4 is equal to 3. Yes, I don't know what is inside that magic box. So, I know that I can take 4 here, right? So, I'll put the magic box here and that is equal to 3. The 4 comes here, multiply. Here it is division. It goes this side. It will become multiplication. Multiply by 4. 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are equal to 12. So, what is inside this box? Inside box is 12. Okay. So, I just take this question mark and I put here 12. Okay. Am I correct? How to check it? Write 12 divided by 4. Tell the fourth multiplication table. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So, my answer is correct. Yes, my answer is correct. You understand? Shall I do one last problem? Okay, let me do one last problem for you. Let us see how you are understanding. Yes, if you have doubt, ask me, right? You write it down in the message box. Yes, uncle, I got a doubt. Uncle, I got a doubt. Let us take a number 21. Divide this by, again there is a box, is equal to, let us say 3. Okay. Now tell me, what is inside this box? This magic box? I don't know. No problem. I can do it. Yes, first to write it in standard way. 21 divided by the box with a question mark, because it is the magic box, that is equal to 3. Yes, use the fact. What is the fact? Yes, 21, box goes up and 3 comes down. Box goes up and 3 comes down. So divide by 3 is equal to, you put the box and put the question mark. Okay, put the question mark here. Now what is this? 21 divided by 3. Okay, take this 21 here and divide it by 3. Do it in no ordinary way, standard way, right? 3, how many times will give you 21? 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. So, what is the remainder? 0. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 7. So, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So, inside this box, what should be the number? Number is 7, because 21 divided by 3, 7 3s are 21. So, inside this box, the number should be 7. You understand what I am doing? Do you find it difficult? These are called facts. Multiplication fact, division fact. You don't worry about all that. You don't worry about numerator, denominator. You know how to do the problem. Yes, if you know how to do the problem, you don't have problem. Yes, this is what I have done. In the next video, I'll come with more problems. But with Uncle's tree, problem is not a problem. Okay, thank you.